Hi guys, here's my recipe for beef siomai. Hope you like it. Mwah! We need about 3/4 cups of carrots, then onion, then we need garlic, and a little bit of salt, around a half teaspoon, and pepper, mga half teaspoon din. Then around 1.5 kilo of ground beef. Then we add 1 piece of egg. Then mix it ng bonggang-bongga. Yes. Mix it thoroughly hanggang mag-combine yung mga ingredients together. Then we'll use the smaller wrapper. And ayan yung procedure. Mag-spoon ka lang ng mga half or 1 tablespoon. And then, ayan, sundin nyo na lang kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Sobrang easy lang, guys. Diba? Go, go, go! Ayan, mag-ready na tayo ng steamer. Yung steamer po, nilagyan natin ng oil. Brinash natin siya ng oil. And then, i-arrange lang natin yung siomai. Lagyan natin siya ng space para hindi siya magdikit-dikit pag naluto. And then, habang nagpe-prepare tayo nyan, dapat may nakasalang na tayo na boiling water. Ayun. Ayan. Pag kulong-kulo na siya, lagay na natin yung siomai. And itong siomai na to ay pag naluto, ayan yung result niya. Best siya with soy sauce and calamansi, tapos garlic and chili oil. Thank you guys for watching!